Uber rider verification badge. Do you trust
Oh.
it or not? Levi,
Oh.
if he's in here, I don't know if he is or not. I haven't seen him, but this came from his ex. So this is Levi's corner. Sorry, Matt, not your corner today.
That's it.
Levi's corner. Tip you in the app. This is 2 ride requests that came in. Notice something very unique about this. It's the exact same trip, and it is the exact same pickup, the same drop off, same multiple stops, same passenger rating, different prices though. One you're getting a little bit more on, another 40 cents on. Plus, there's a little thing in there called the verified badge, but there wasn't on the first one.
The one you're getting more on, by the way, is 0.2 of a mile closer.
Yeah.
But the key on this one is Levi has a good point here. He says, I don't trust verified passenger accounts now. Exclamation point, exclamation point. These offers came back to back within seconds. Note how the addresses and the passenger rating are exact same. The only thing that changed was verified was added. The 1447 was offered first, the one on the left. Then exactly 11 seconds later, the price increased, even though the pickup is 0.2 of a mile shorter, but the time of the pickup did not change. So we don't believe those things anyway. So this is a multiple stop trip. This is an automatic decline for me, verified or not verified. But there's a good point here. Like, it's pretty obvious, the same passenger. And why verified shows? So does that make it like more palatable? 40 cents? No, about 38 cents more, and a verified badge. I don't think it makes it more palatable. Verified. I'm telling you, bro, everybody is pretty much verified now. Although it did stop those fake names and stuff. It really did.
Yeah.
It took them a while, but it really, I don't see any of those anymore. I don't even get emails. In the old days, I used to get like 2, 3 a week. Look at this name, look at that name. And then once the verified thing came on Lyft and Uber, I don't get them anymore. So in that sense, it's working. Verified in that sense. In this sense, what's happening, Uber? Should we believe that verified badge? Because this is obviously the same passenger. What say you folks? What say you folks? Do you buy the verified badge?
No.
No.
I can slap that sticker on anything. Just like I could slap UberX on an UberX cash trip.
Yeah. Wow, that's I have questions about the Uber Cash thing too, by the way. So you have to be a verified passenger to be able to do Uber Cash trips as a rider.
But what happens when the verified badge might not mean anything, like we see right here?
That's why I'm getting to. So if it doesn't mean anything,
it's an
Uber
edge case.
slaps on verified and sends you a cash trip from someone who's not verified. Have you guys seen this before? If you guys do see it, please send them to me, the screenshots, just like Levi did side by side with a little comment.
You know what pisses me off on this? It's another freaking thing that we have to watch out for.
Yeah. That's what they keep us. They keep us. They keep us busy.
Gainfully employed for the time being.
That may end shortly. But I was like, this thing here is Uber. Take a screenshot of this Uber. This shouldn't be happening.
Run it through your AI. Figure out the trip. What happened? We expect a full write-up on what's going on.
Yeah, send me an email, Uber, because I don't want to send this to you anymore. I don't even want to send things to you guys anymore. We'll just talk about it. You guys catch it, fix it in the back end. It's too much work for me. Too much work without getting paid. I don't want to play free Uber, Lyft support. I don't want to do any of that stuff.
We already know you're recording the show, so go ahead.
Yeah, just watch it, just like everybody else is. Take a screenshot, check out what happened, send me an email. You know who your people are. Send me an email saying, oh, Serge, this is what happened. It was a glitch. Momentary glitch, Serge. All right, cool.
Hey, everyone. Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past 1.5 years, You may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Always a glitch. Always chalk it up to that. Nothing else. I want a full report on why it happened. I want the actual coding on why it popped up on the one, not the other. Saying it was a glitch, trust us, is not good enough for me anymore. I want an actual write-up with the coding on why, or the code breakdown of the coding on that, because I will run it and I will verify too.
Yeah,
okay.
I mean,
I'm
a verified writer
to be able to do that. So don't you worry about that.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if Levi takes things seriously. Levi is not like us, right? He doesn't bash. He's very balanced and things like that.
Oh, I'm not bashing. I want to know. I'd like to know the reason.
No, they should get bashed.
The same thing with Lyft. I'll say the same exact thing on the Lyft. Well, I want a full breakdown on the so-called glitch that is fixed from the external fees and the estimated fee.
It's fair.
I want a full breakdown, full code breakdown of that, so we can run it through and verify what's going on. I got the resources to be able to do that. I can do it very quickly.
Well, look, it's fair. What we're saying is fair. We never say things that we don't have proof over on. We don't, we don't do conspiracy theories. We don't do it. We back it up with screenshots. It's logical. It makes sense.
Wait. When we're like, oh, what is conspiracy? We'll be like, oh, what if
No, but I'm just saying, when it comes to Uber and Lyft, we try to stay as straight up as possible. And every segment that we put on takes time and thought, and
back up.
But when the picture's worth 1,000 words, like the same trip, within 11 seconds later, a verified badge shows up out of the blue.
Yeah.
Or it could be vice versa. A verified badge shows up on the first one, and then it disappears on the second one. What's happening? Now Uber can say, "Oh, they're not the same. Same people, same trip. Looks the same."
Jeff, you can easily get that online.
It could be. They're going to say there are two different people there at the same address, ordering at the same exact time.
Yeah, and they both
the exact same second,
and they both have the same multiple stops, and they both have the same 4.95 driver rating.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, man, I mean, it's an excuse.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.